We're here in Collegetown Plaza. I'm starting out in the hallway so you can see the location and the position of the apartment within the building. Over here to our left, you can see this hallway that's going down to the main lobby of Collegetown Plaza. We're on the 4th floor or lobby level of the building. Right over here, you can see the back door to the building. So that goes out to the parking lot of our Upper Dryden Road parking. So you can see right there, that is where we are located here within the building. So this is a great location in Collegetown Plaza. We're going over to apartment 4G, which is right over here at the end of the hall. Let's go on in and take a look. This is a spectacular apartment. Let's go on in. We're gonna go through the whole apartment. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath unit here in Collegetown Plaza. We're just gonna go around the apartment and show you everything in here. So we've just come in over here. We're gonna go over to our right and let's see the first bathroom of the 3.5 bathrooms. So this bathroom has been renovated and you've got the nice big standing shower, the tile walls in there. This one has the huge lighted mirror. It's very nice and bright. And we've got the medicine cabinet and the toilet. I wanna show you, oh, nice shelf over the toilet there. I wanna show you one additional piece of storage in here. This has this double set of cabinets here on the wall. So great space for all your bathroom bits in here. Let's go on through. We're just gonna keep on going around the apartment. Let's go see room number 1, which is over here at the far right side of the unit. Let's go on in. All the bedroom doors have a lock on them. You can see we're facing to the west, so we get some nice afternoon sun here. Furnishings will always have a dresser and a bookshelf. There's some sort of desk or table and storage for your clothes, either a closet or wardrobe, depending on the room as we go through, and the full-size bed. We can take a look over here. So remember, we were on the lobby or entrance level of the building, but this is the south or back side of the building, southwest corner of the building. So we are up those 4 floors up here over on the back because Collegetown is quite a hilly area. All right, let's go on through and see the next bedroom. We're going to bedroom 2, which is right next door. Bedroom 2 will be a similar setup. So we go in, we've got the desk over here on this one, and the full-size bed, your dresser and your shelf, and your closet over here. So bedroom 2 also faces west. Also a nice bright room in here. All the rooms have mini blinds. Let's go on over and see the next full-size bathroom. Okay, so we've just come in. Remember, we came in over here, that white door. So right across is the full-size bath. This is a new renovated bathroom. So this is just added to the building, to the apartment. So we've got another great tub shower over here. You've got that nice big mirror, the vanity and toilet in here. So that is a beautiful new full-size bathroom here in the apartment. Let's go through and see the kitchen area. So kitchen is over on the left. It's a compact layout for the kitchen, but we've got everything you need in here. So you've got that stove, oven, your dishwasher, sink, microwave, ample cabinet space in here. There's really good cabinets, and we've got this big refrigerator here. And then right across from us here, we've added a second refrigerator for you, for your use in here. So we've got the double refrigerator here within the apartment. So great kitchen setup for you here in the unit. Let's go over and see bedroom 3. This one is special. So we're going into bedroom 3. And as we come in, you can see, again, we're facing to the west. It's got a different footprint than the others. You can notice a couple differences. So we've got a wardrobe instead of a closet, just to kind of give it a more open feel in here. And that does open. You can put your clothes and whatnot in there. There's a drawer underneath. And you've got still have the dresser and a smaller study table in here instead of a full desk. But let's go on in over here and see what makes this room so special. You've got your own ensuite bathroom in this one. This is your own private bathroom. And we've got still the standing shower. We have that big mirror that's lighted. We have the toilet and the cabinet over here. So it's a beautiful bathroom just for you here. And I like how the shelf here The windowsill is quite spacious. The bathroom window does have a frosted glass on it, so for extra privacy, so you don't have to worry about getting your own curtain or anything, and still allows a lot of light to come in. And again, we're on the 4th floor, facing to the west. So this is room 3 with the private bathroom, ensuite. Right across from us is the half bathroom, and that's over here. Let's take a look in there really quickly. You can see a half bathroom is a sink and a toilet, so that's really handy to have for guests in your apartment. So you have a half bathroom for that. Let's go look over here at the living space. So you have your table. We've got some seating areas, a table over here, one in the corner as well. And we have 2 nice bright windows, so one facing to the west, and this one over here, the smaller one, facing to the south. Here's the air conditioner for the apartment. This is a living room air conditioner. All of the bedroom windows do open, but the air conditioner is for the living room space. Let's take a look over here. We've got a great surprise. Look at this over here. What's that peeking in out of that door? You've got your own washer and dryer here for this unit. So you have an in-unit washer and dryer. These are only in these G-style apartments here in Collegetown Plaza. We have 2 more bedrooms for you. Let's go take a look at room 4. Look at this, 2 windows. This is gorgeous. Look at how bright this room is. You can see over here the same furnishings. 2 bright, huge, beautiful windows. So you've got great views. Over here, you've got all of our furnishings. You can move things around wherever you like, but I think that's a pretty logical setup for everything like that. And over here, we've got the closet for this one. So we've got south and west. So the south view is really pretty. It's spring, so we don't have a lot of green stuff out yet, but it will be especially beautiful in the fall and winter when there's changing leaves and everything. Let's go see the last room, room 5. Room 5 over here, and this one faces to the west, and I'm sorry, the south. This is south, and let's go on into the room. You can take a look at everything over here. Here's out that south-facing window, and the furnishings. And this one, they put the dresser in the closet, which I think is a fun use of space. Gives you a little more floor space in the room. You can move, again, you move things around wherever you like within the rooms, but I think that's a good spot for the dresser in here. So that's a look at apartment 4G. We're in a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath unit with renovated bathrooms and updated kitchens. We're located at 111 Dryden Road here in Central Collegetown. This apartment is located just 1 block to campus here at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 4G.